Respiratory hazards can be dangerous. Atmospheric contaminants are hard to see, difficult to identify, and can cause damage to your health over short and long periods of time. Employees sometimes don't know they are being exposed to dangerous substances until they experience health problems. Positive pressure and negative pressure. Positive pressure respirators draw air into the mask from an air supply, and create a small positive pressure under the mask. Powered air purifying respirators, atmosphere providing respirators, and SCBAs, are examples of positive pressure respirators. Negative pressure respirators use the force of the user's breath to draw in air, and create a small negative pressure inside the mask. Air purifying respirators and disposable masks are negative pressure type respirators. Employees must know the types and concentrations of contaminants in the workplace. The company Respiratory Protection Program will have this information. Employees should also be familiar with the safety data sheet for each contaminant. Using engineering controls to eliminate the hazard is the preferred method for respiratory protection. The employee should see if ventilation or other engineering controls can be used to eliminate the hazard. Respirators should only be used if the hazard cannot be eliminated.